Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to Moneyline Tips. Today is Saturday weekend and we have some football predictions for you. The first game we have today is in England Premier League where Tottenham is taking on Everton, and my prediction here is both teams to score at full time. Then the next game we have is a game in that England Premier League where Nottingham Forest is taking on Bournemouth, and my prediction here is Nottingham Forest to win at full time. The next game I have for you is in Spain, where Atletico Madrid is taking on Sevilla, and my prediction here is full time draw. And the next game I have for you is in Italy Serie A, where Verona is taking on Cagliari, and my prediction here is under 1.5 goals at halftime. Then the next game I have is a game in the England Premier League where Liverpool is taking on Arsenal, and my prediction here is a full-time win for Liverpool. And then the next game I have is a game between Roma taking on Napoli, and my prediction here is a full-time draw. Then the next game I have for you is in England Championship. Please, if you have not liked this video, kindly hit the like button so that other people will be able to see this video. And also, if you are new to this channel, subscribe to this channel where you get sure predictions on daily basis. Okay, moving on. The next game I have is in England Championship where Norwich is taking on Huddersfield, and my prediction here is a full-time draw. Then the last game I have for you in this uh, today's prediction is a game between Stoke City taking on Millwall FC, and my prediction here is a halftime draw. So that is all I have for you today. A total of 8 matches, and that gives us uh, 1,792 odds. So you can as well play them accumulation and also flex at them if you are using Sportybet. Okay, the booking code for this game is 9661F0FA, and that is all I have for today. Always remember to bet responsibly. I'll see you tomorrow.